joined Meysan in 2018 as a CTO, and then I moved it as a CIO, and I look after overall infrastructure as well as the development of IT strategies. You see, the old times, and most of the companies were stationed at one particular country. Now, the geographically, it has moved to the different areas. Like when I started Nissan, we were 15 employees, okay, and we had only one office back in Kuwait. Now we expanded. CEO did a merger and acquisitions across different countries, so we have now 7 offices in GCC, and that required real thinking because now you have multiple offices, multiple locations, and where people are sitting in a different geographical and time zone wise, how would you manage? So that prompted us to have a proper system in place where the approvals are recorded, things are moving as fast as possible instead of emailing them or calling them or WhatsApping them. We had another platform in a place which was developed internally, and we were happy that it works as required, And then we wanted to move to the next level, which was more user-friendly, more app-centric, and more connectivity-centric, And then I found Kissflow. And then I started talking to the right channel, and there are lots of processes in place now with Kissflow. Kissflow has a different way of architecture than other companies. But saying that architecture actually helped me building more processes and connect lots of dots together. We have reached at the level that most of all our legal platform, POA we call it, then we have letter of engagements. All this goes through the different connectivities across with lots of integrations, which we do anti-money laundering integration, we do the client integration, and automatically, once it is fully approved, nobody needs to do anything. It will automatically be shifted and moved as a matter into the core system of billing and practice management software. So it has worked very well now. We don't have to do anything.